Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering exactly what you need and acting fast. First, cut a small slit about 1 to 1.5 centimeters into the tennis ball. This gives access without ruining the outer felt. Once done, use a funnel or syringe to pour in 100-200 grams of fine sand to reach the weight you want. Make sure to pack gently, because compacted sand creates consistent bounce. Finally, seal the slit with super glue and tape so the ball stays closed while you start the next phase. Now you focus on making the ball behave like a cricket ball. Get the seam and density right. Start by wrapping strong adhesive tape around the ball in 3 to 5 overlapping layers. This increases hardness and evens weight distribution. Then stitch heavy thread or twine firmly around the circumference to create a raised seam, knotting every 1 centimeter so it holds under impact. Once that seam is stable, add 1 or 2 external tape layers to fine-tune bounce and durability, checking balance as you go. To finish, trim any loose felt and smooth tape edges so the ball rolls true. Then roll it on a flat surface and perform a few controlled drops to assess bounce and seam grip. If the ball is too heavy or dead, remove a tape layer or take out a small amount of sand. If it is too hard and hurts your hand, wrap a thin cloth layer before taping. Make sure to let everything cure for 24 hours. This prevents seams from loosening during use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.